Most people will want a lot of things in a wilderness survival situation, but what we want to consider are what your needs are and how to take care of them. We do not have the answer to everything, but what we do have is an answer to most things. You can't live more than 3 minutes without maintaining your blood flow and oxygen flow to your system. You can't live more than 3 hours without maintaining your core body temperature. You can't live more than 3 days without staying hydrated. You can't live more than 3 weeks without food. And quite frankly, you can't live more than 3 weeks without human companionship.